Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can clean your C drive in Windows and as well optimize it for the best performance. So let's get started. Okay, so the first tip that I have for you is to delete all the updates from Windows. And how you can do that is go to this file explorer here and click on this PC and then click on this local disk, your local disk where Windows is installed, and click on Windows. And then here we're gonna scroll down until we see software distribution. So it should be somewhere here. There we go, software distribution. And now here we will have all this, and we highlight everything and then right click on it and delete. So now we'll be deleting the old files of your updates. So this is just the old files it's cleaning. You can still update the Windows, by the way. Even if you delete this, you can still update the Windows. And then we go on recycle bin, and remember to go to empty recycle bin. So I'm gonna click on yes. So make sure your recycle bin is empty. So as you can see, it's about 7 gigabytes is deleting. So it's for you, it's maybe even more. For me, it was around 7 gigabytes. Okay, so after that has been finished, then I have another tip is to go to start, and we're gonna type run and click on this run, and we're gonna type prefetch and we click OK, and we could click this continue so you gain permission. So we highlight everything as before, right click on it and delete. This again are temporary files. If you cannot, some files cannot be deleted, just do this and click on skip, and then again go to start and type in run and click on run, and we're gonna type now %temp% and OK. And now again we're gonna choose everything and right click on it and just delete. Again, temporary files, and then again go to start, run here and just type in temp without the percentage, click OK, again click continue here, and then here we're gonna highlight everything again, right click, delete. And now for the next step that I have is to go to start, and we're gonna type in defrag like this. This do only if you have HDD like me. If you have SSD, you don't need to do this because the SSD does not have movable parts. So this is only if you have hard disk drive. So how you can do this, as you can see, for me is 10% fragmented, which is pretty bad. If you have like 1 to 2%, I do still recommend you to go and click on this optimize. If it's 0 like this, 0%, and here 0%, that means it's fully optimized. Here, as you can see, it's not fully optimized. So just click on this optimize, and it should start analyzing and start optimize the drive. So the next thing that I have for you is to go again to this file explorer, and then go to this PC, go to your C drive, right click on it, properties. So make sure you first click on it once and then right click on it and properties, and then here disk cleanup, and here you will get this window. So make sure you check everything here like this and click OK. You can view files here to see what you are deleting. So click OK, delete files. And here click on continue if you get this. And again we click on this cleanup, and then we don't click anymore on that one. We go and clean up system files here. So this goes clean up the disk even deeper than before. As you can see here, now we click on this, we check everything here, this, if you have even the windows.old folder, it will get deleted as well, and temporary Windows installation files, that as well will be deleted. Click OK, delete files. Click OK, and you can close this. And the last thing, of course, I'm gonna show you is, maybe it's obvious, but even myself, I don't do this. So go to Start, go to Add or Remove Programs. So here you're gonna get all the programs that you installed. So here I recommend you to go through all of these programs and uninstall all unnecessary programs that you don't use, because even myself, I install a lot of programs and I don't even use them. So here you can see sort by size, so you can see which is the biggest app, so you can delete whichever you want and install data C by date, which is the installed by date most recently. And that's pretty much it what I can show you for now. I will see to find more tips, and I for sure will share it with you. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.